Whoa. You're telling me I'm getting all of this for 999 pesos? Hello guys and welcome to another episode of Bertbuys. This is where I buy stuff online, check them out so that when you guys buy them online, you know exactly what you're getting. So today we are going to look at the Plusivo soldering iron kit. So if you guys have been watching my previous videos, you know that I've been delving in mechanical keyboards for a while now. Or actually, I don't know if I'm going to release this before I release the mechanical keyboard videos. But anyway, I was going to do some soldering on the keyboards. But to my horror, my soldering iron stopped working. This is the soldering iron question. I think I bought this in Deco many years back. It served me well, but it's dead now. So I decided to look for a replacement online. To my surprise, I found this soldering kit that was only 999 pesos. And based on the description, it had everything you're gonna need to start with your soldering journey. Now I assume for a professional electrician, these tools might not be that great. But I'm not a professional electrician, I'm just a hobbyist. And for me to see all of these tools in one bag, I was willing to take the risk for 999 pesos to see if these tools were actually worthwhile. And it has arrived. It's the Plusivo soldering kit. Now, first of all, what sold me with this kit is it came with a bag. Because previously, I had all of these soldering stuffs and it's just scattered inside my cabinet. But this, since it comes with a bag, I can actually just put the whole bag away very neatly. So that's already a big plus in my book. So alright, let's open it up and see what's inside, shall we? Right, so this is the Plusivo kit. Let's go see what's inside. Actually, just by holding it, you can actually feel how jam-packed it is. Let's go look at that. Bam! Look at all that! So let's go look at them one by one, shall we? Right, so first off, we have multicolored electrical tapes. So if you wanna, color code your tapes. And then we have some wire. So if you want to bridge stuff, I guess, practice soldering with it. And then we have this. Did you guys know I actually didn't know what a soldering wick was before I got this? But I'm actually learning while I go through this kit. And then over here, we have our multimeter. I'm actually quite amazed with this multimeter because if you turn it on, it actually has a backlight and a hold function. Again, I'm not a professional electrician, but in my amateur electricianing life, this has got to be the best multimeter I've ever had already. It also comes with this like protector, so you can bang it around, I guess. I mean, don't, but just in case, there's protector on it. And then we have the leads. Again, for 999 pesos, I'm actually quite amazed with this because these leads even come with a cover. Because I had this problem before with my other multimeter that you put in the plastic, it just starts stabbing the plastic, and this will be gone in no time. But with this, I can put this in the plastic, and I'm sure it won't puncture anything. And it even has cover for the other side of the lead to make sure it's clean all the time. So again, not bad. $9.99, probably the best multimeter set I've ever had. Which doesn't say much, because again, I'm not a professional. And then it even comes with multi-sized shrink wraps. So that's good. And then over here we have our stand. So you can pull that out. So it's currently disassembled. You put this in the hole. And it comes with this cute little wrench so you can tighten the nuts. We'll assemble that later. And for our piece de resistance, the reason why I bought this kit, the soldering iron. Again, I've never had a fancier soldering iron in my life. This even has temperature control. I mean, I don't even know how to use that yet. We're gonna Google that. But it works. I actually tested this kit out before, unboxing it again for you guys. The temperature actually works. I don't know if it's accurate, but it works because some of the solders I was trying to desolder weren't desoldering at 350, so I had to crank it up at 400, or rather 450, and it did the job. Even has this rubber grip. All these luxuries are alien to me. Again with the covers, I love that they have covers. So I don't stab everything. And then it even comes with tips. Oh my god, like Before, I just had a soldering iron. I didn't even change the tips. But now, I actually have an option to pick which tips I need for the job. Amazing. Of course, our desoldering pump. I'm gonna use this a lot for our keyboard builds. We have a cutter. I mean, okay, fine, it's kind of janky. Wriggles a lot, but you know, cutter's a cutter. If you don't have one, then at least you have one now. The sponge for the soldering station thing. You've got 2 tweezers, and again with the covers, I love it, so it keeps them closed. And I think the tweezers, the tips, they aren't painted, so you can actually bridge electronics with it if you want to test things. And then we've got soldering paste. Very good, we need that. We've got a small PCB thing, I guess, to practice your soldering with. We've got some solder. Now, I don't know if this solder is like the good one with the paste with it already, but I guess since we have paste separately, it's not the high-end one. We even have some clippers. Whoa! The thing flew. It's under the table. I'm gonna get that later. But yeah, we've got clippers. And it even has this. At first, I didn't even know what this was. I had to Google it again. Apparently, it's a wire cutter. You put your wire here, depending on the gauge, and then you press it a little and you twist it. Strip the wire. So again, I'm learning as I open this kit up. And over here, one of my favorites. It's so cute. It knows you need to open devices that you need to solder. So it comes with precision screwdrivers. So here we have these 2 cute little... Look at that. Look at that. They're so cute, man. They're so cute. And then here, you have an all-in-one precision screwdriver set. Wait, let me get my old one. So all of this is my old precision screwdriver set. All of this in this one little package. So you just open the back here. You know, you get all these bits, and you just put it here on the tip. There's a magnet that clips it in place, like that. And you have a precision screwdriver kit, all in this little tiny package. This is amazing. I never even knew these existed. Alright, so let's go test out the soldering iron at least to see if it's working properly. Though I already tested it out off camera, but I just want to show you guys. Because, you know, this is a review, so I gotta show you guys. First, we're gonna assemble our stand. Is this a JoJo reference? Yes. Oh guys, side note. Bar mat. I love using bar mats. Because when your small screws go flying off, it goes into these holes and, you know, they won't just disappear on you. I guess I'll put a link below of where I got the bar mat also. There you go. Have our stand. Our soldering iron. Put it there. Oh yeah, side note. The soldering iron will poke through into your table. So, just watch out for that. So, I use it like that. There. So, I'll plug it in now. We're gonna be working on a Razer keyboard. And the factory solders are kinda stonks. Because I think these were soldered in a factory. So, you know, I guess their soldering machines are much better. And yes, the other tools like the screwdriver and the tweezers were such a big help when I was disassembling this keyboard. So really, it's an all-in-one kit. Alright, so let's put this key in. Here we go, guys. Oh, my hands are not steady at all. Ta-da! Easy peasy. And then, let's go use the multimeter to test if our switch actually works. So mostly I'm just gonna use this, the continuity meter. So if you press the leads together, it creates a beep. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I'll get it closer to the mic. There you go. So now, with the solder that we just did, we can actually test if it works. Just gonna put these 2 there, and press the switch. There you go. There you go. It works. I don't know if you guys can hear the beep. But I'm pressing the button, or I'm pressing the switch. Alright, so now let's desolder. Let's see how the pump performs. Solder 2 out. Oops, I hit the camera. Sorry. There we go. Key successfully removed. Ta-da! So there you have it, guys. A review of the Plusivo soldering iron kit. So much value for money, guys. So much value for money. I remember before I had to like drive all the way to Deco, pay for parking just to buy like one soldering iron. But now I spend $9.99 plus shipping and it comes to my house. All of this in this one bag I can just put away very neatly somewhere. It's really boggling my mind. Man, I can hear those like electrician enthusiasts laughing at me for like enjoying this very basic kit. Again, I'm not a electrician. I'm just starting out, just a hobbyist. And as a hobbyist, this kit will get me far in my opinion. So yeah, very happy. Very, 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 very happy. One of the best purchases I've ever done so far. So yeah, if you're a beginner or if you're looking for a complete budget soldering kit, you just need to buy one of these and you're set. You're good. So yes, the link to where to buy this item is down below. I bought it at the exact same link, so you can be sure you're gonna get the exact same items. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. This is Albert from Bertbuys. I will see you guys in the next video. Outro, 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 outro.